Hey guys, welcome back. I'm on a little snowy hike in Rock Creek Park today, and I have some very exciting news that I finally get to share with you. I have to confess, I have been keeping a secret from you all since I started this YouTube channel, but I can finally share what's been going on behind the scenes and how it is about to totally change this channel. And if you've read the title of this video, then you obviously know what I'm about to say. I'm hiking the Pacific Crest Trail.
For the uninitiated, the Pacific Crest Trail, or PCT, is a national scenic trail that spans 2,650 miles border to border. The trail begins in the small town of Campo on the Mexican border in San Diego County and ends at the border of Canada just outside Manning Park in British Columbia. Along the way, the trail passes through 7 national parks, 25 national forests, state parks, and many other public lands. Hiking the entire trail in one go, or through hiking, takes 5 to 6 months and passes through iconic landmarks like the Mojave Desert, the Sierra Nevada mountains, including a detour to Mount Whitney, the highest peak in the lower 48, past Lake Tahoe, along Crater Lake and Mount Hood, through volcanic fields, and into the Cascades of Washington.
For those of you who are new here, hello. My name is Brooke, but you probably know me as Brooke in Boots. The very short version of my story for those of you who are new here: I was an attorney in Manhattan and I got completely burnt out on that lifestyle, and I started posting little videos and photos online of my hikes and trips to national parks, and Brooke in Boots was born. As of 3 years ago, I had never backpacked a day in my life. I had barely ever even gone camping. But that all changed when I got invited onto a group camping trip, and I immediately fell in love with backpacking, but still in my wildest dreams, never imagined I would do something as insane as walking 2,650 miles from Mexico to Canada. About 2 years ago, I did a small section hike on the PCT from Campo to about mile 50. And by the time I made it to Mount Laguna at mile 40, I knew I was supposed to come back someday. And that day is now, or rather that day is coming up soon in April. My plan is to create daily vlogs while I'm out on the trail, and those will be posted here on YouTube Shorts, as well on Instagram and TikTok if it still exists. You can find me on all of those channels at Brooke in Boots. And then the plan is to create longer videos, which will go up about once a week here on YouTube. Not only is this my first through hike, but this will be my first time creating longer form content while out on my travel. I'm used to creating videos at home with my desktop, so bear with me, especially in the beginning, because I think we're all going to be on a learning journey together. Between now and then, I'm also going to be creating all of the typical pre-trail content. We're going to do some gear shakedowns. I'm going to explain why I chose the pack I chose, my resupply strategy, as well as my training plan. Basically anything you would want to know about how an extremely average girl like me gets ready for what I think is going to be the adventure of a lifetime. I'll also be catching up with some of my travels that I filmed prior to starting my YouTube channel. So my trip to Kanab in southern Utah, as well as a trip to Acadia last year. Those will be coming up with vlogs on the channel. And of course, some more additional talking head tips and tricks videos like these ones, so that people can go out and plan their own incredible adventures, even while I'm out having my own adventure. I'm also planning on doing an upcoming Q&A video. So if you have any questions about me, the trail, my life, how I'm dealing with leaving my husband and my dog to do this hike, all of those things, drop them in the comments below and I'll do a Q&A video coming up soon. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up this very beautiful, very snowy trek here in Washington, DC. And I'll see you out on the trails. Bye.